Good afternoon, grade 9. We will now continue the item analysis of our second periodical test. I already assigned um, I already assigned the numbers to be answered under test 2A. Okay, let me share my screen. Can you see my shared screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So bromine was assigned to Margie, I think. Margie? Or MD?
Margie, sir. I was on OG.
Okay. Margie, you can share your screen. Let me check your answer. Margie,
Yes, sir.
you can share your screen.
It says, sir, you cannot share while the other participant is sharing.
Okay. Okay, let me change this one. I will just stop my shared screen. Okay. Okay, Margie. Where's Margie?
I think she left, sir.
Oh. Did you prepare your answers for today? The one
Yes,
I
sir.
have is assigned? Okay, while waiting for Margie, can we have yours, MD, Organization?
Sir, I wrote mine in the notepad, like in the console ba, in the computer.
Ah, you share your notepad. Okay? Click shared screen or share screen and then click the notepad. You can share that one. Okay, there you go. You can see your answer. So, Organizen as 118. Okay, so let's check. Okay, organism is 118. So 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d10, 30, p6, p4, 6, 4p6, 5s2, 4p10, 5p6. Okay. So your organism is actually located in the 7p6. Let us check. 7p6. Okay. 7p6. Okay, can you see my shared screen? MD? MD?
No, sir. I'll stop sharing.
So 7p6, right?
Yes.
Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the P, right? So if you're going to look at, I will share the SPDF again. Okay, stop sharing and I will share again the SPDF. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7P. This is the P, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7P is 6. Yes, so you are totally correct. Okay, your answer is correct. How about, and is she coming? Coming back again?
Wait, sir.
Indeed.
I'll ask her.
Because, okay. Okay, let's skip first the electronic configuration since you already know the electronic configuration. How about DNA sequencing? Okay, you supply with anticodon the following codon sequence,
Yes, sir. The complementary basis.
complementary basis, yes, 36 to 40. The answers are, wait, I will share my screen. Marge is near. Let's skip first.
Hello, sir.
Hi,
Sorry, sir. I have internet problems.
it's okay. Let's move forward with the DNA sequencing. Okay, 36 to 40. Let's have Margie. Okay, Margie? Okay, MD. Please answer 36 to 40. Provide us with the anticodon, with the following codon.
Sir, can I say the letter?
I shared my screen. You can see my shared screen.
Yes. Can I say the letter like
Yes.
T
Yes, yes, yes.
TAA
Okay, correct,
CGG
correct,
TTA
correct,
CCG
correct,
TAC
correct,
GAC
correct,
AAT
correct,
GGC
correct,
TTC
correct,
and then AAT.
correct. 41 to 45, Margie.
Sir,
41 to 45, DNA sequencing.
the sequencing, sir.
Yes,
AAT
correct,
GGC
correct,
CCG
correct,
ATC
correct,
GCA
correct,
CCT
correct,
CCA
correct,
GGA
correct,
CCT
correct,
TTA
correct. 46 to 50, MD again.
TTA
Correct,
CCT
correct,
AAT
correct,
CAG
correct,
GAG
correct,
AGA
correct,
TCA
correct,
AAC
correct,
GGA
correct,
ATC
correct,
AAT.
correct. Okay, I think you already mastered the DNA sequencing. Okay, and again, do not forget the terminologies being used in the DNA sequencing, like adenine is to thymine and guanine is to cytosine. Okay, let's move now to hybridization. Okay, um, the cross between a monohybrid and a dihybrid. A cross between heterozygous red. Okay, I will leave this one to MD, 51 to 55 MD, and 56 to 50 MRG. You can use a Microsoft Word if in case. Just follow the problem and the sequence of the problem, and you give me the correct phenotypic and genotypic ratios.
Okay, sir.
Just the phenotypic and genotypic ratio, sir.
Yes. For question 51 to 55, a cross between heterozygous red-eyed Drosophila melanogaster, the fruit fly, to a brown-eyed Josepella melanogaster? And for question 56 to 50, 56 to 60, a cross between heterozygous tall with heterozygous blue eyes male to a heterozygous tall with heterozygous blue eyes female. You can use Microsoft Word if in case and share it in your screen. Okay? I will stop my shared screen and I'll be waiting for your answers.
Okay, sir.
Sir, what was the one again, sir? 56 to 60?
Let me share my screen again.
Sir, what was number 56 to 60 again?
Can you see my shared screen? A cross between a heterozygous tall with heterozygous blue eyes male to a heterozygous tall with heterozygous blue eyes female.
Okay, sir, thank you.
Are you ready now? Are you ready now, MD and Margie?
I already have my answer, sir.
Okay. MD, please share your answer.
Here, sir. A genotypic ratio for 51 to 55 is 2 homozygous red and 2 heterozygous brown. And for the phenotypic ratio is for red.
Hmm. Your Punnett square. Let me check on the Punnett square.
I'll check, sir.
Okay. Okay, everyone. MD and Margie. We will be checking your answers by next meeting. Again, we'll be checking your answers by next meeting. Hopefully, you can actually share it right away when we start our class. Afterwards, we'll be moving forward to the next lesson, to our next lesson, which is volcanoes. Okay? Again, we'll be checking your answers by next meeting. You prepare that one in a Microsoft Word so that I can see the Punnett square. And I'll be checking also the phenotypic and genotypic ratios.
Okay, sir.
Is that clear?
Sir.
All right. I think that's all for today, class. Thank you, Margie and MD, for participating. Have a nice day, everyone.
Thank you,
Goodbye.
sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye.